In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the watch history on YouTube for PC. So here we are in YouTube, and as you can see, the main screen is here. On the top right corner, we have the profile icon. Just click on that. And once we have this open, just click on a Google account. And from here, just click on data and privacy on the left hand side. Scroll down a little bit and you will see this YouTube history option. Just go ahead and open this up. And if you want to completely turn off this, just click on turn off from the top, or otherwise you can just select the other options from the bottom as well. Just click on pause and wait for a while. Click on got it. And you will notice that the sub settings are also disabled. And that's it. Now let's test this. Let's go back to youtube.com. And I just opened up a video just to check this, that if it shows in the watch history or not. Let's go to this 3 dashes or the hamburger sign on our top left and just click on the history. Now you will notice that this history of the most recent video is not shown here. So click on clear all watch history. Let me just check that again. Let's go to the home tab and let's click on another video. So this is the one. Let's click on the hamburger sign again and click on the history just to check. And it says this list has no videos. So that's it. This is how you can completely turn off the watch history on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.